have one that has an orange underline and just 3 boxes. Make sure yours only has 3 boxes. If yours has 4, flip it over. There you go. Nice job. Like this. And then your teacher was also so nice to pass out 3 counters. Count them out. Make sure that you've got 3. Yes?
I need 3.
Plus 1 equals 3. Now, notice the 3 dots under the boxes.
Thank you.
Welcome. That's where I'd like you to start with your counters. So you're going to put, and I don't care if they are red side, red, yellow, red, any order is fine. Any color is fine. Do you want your counters?
Whoops.
Okay, awesome job. Do you need to make counters? I'm doing it. Okay, we put them on the dots then. Perfect. So yours looks like mine. The first activity we're going to do is just listening and responding. Okay? So you're going to be listening to the sounds and words, and we are going to be figuring out how many sounds there are and what the sounds are. So sometimes I say the sounds and you put it together to make a word. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to split the word up today into sounds. It's called segmenting. Okay, so I'm going to say the word. I'll say what word, and then you'll repeat it, and then we will count those out using our boxes. So I'll do one for you first, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
The word is mud. What word?
Mud.
Good. Watch me. D. What word?
Mud.
How many sounds in mud?
3.
What are the sounds in mud?
M-A-D. M-A-D.
Those are the letters in mud. Awesome job. What are the sounds in mud?
D.
Beautiful. Put your counters back down. Are you ready to do one with me?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. Here we go. And if there's only 2 sounds, you just put up 2 counters. If there's 4 sounds, just put one up next to it. Okay? Are we ready?
Mhm.
Oh yeah, because you only have 3, so just count them out. I think there's only 3. Here we go. Your word is sun. What word?
Sun.
Break sun into parts. How many sounds in sun?
3.
Good. Move them back down. You can see how it's kind of a speed round. Sounds are down. All right, the word is. This one's good. Yes, sir? You won't even need it yet, but when it's time, then we'll grab it, okay? The word is mule. What word?
Mule.
Break mule into parts.
Mm. Mule.
That one was hard.
No, but
How
it's
many
actually
sounds in mule?
3.
I hear 3 and I hear 4. Listen. Mule. It kind of sounds like mule, but we're just going to put that O. Mule. 3 sounds. Yes. Yes. Did you hear what she said? You answered his question. Yeah, because the bossy E doesn't say anything. It's a letter. It's not a sound in this word. Counters back down. Counters down to the dots. Nice job. All right, your word is duck. What word?
Duck.
Break duck into parts.
Duh. Duck.
Nice. How many sounds?
3.
3. Put them back down. Okay. There's 4 letters, right? But only 3 sounds. I'm glad you're noticing that. Right now we're just doing sounds. Okay, listen very carefully. The word is club. What word?
Club.
Break club into parts. Oh, no. How many sounds? 4. Nice job. Push it down. The word is cute. What word? Break cute into parts.
Where do we start?
How many sounds? 3. You know in your head how many letters.
What's that say? That sound.
Right? But only 3 sounds. Okay, this is our last one. Put your counters
What
down.
is the sound? Good job.
The word is hug. What word?
Hug.
Break hug into parts.
Good. Good.
Everyone, show me with your fingers how many sounds in hug.
3.
3. Nice job. I'm just going to have you put your Alcona boxes and your counters up in the corner. We're not even going to worry about collecting them right now. Poor Mrs. Egan, I'm going to leave her with all of that hard work today.
That's okay.
And then I noticed, thank you so much, you already have your whiteboards and your markers out. You don't need to uncap it yet, but I do want to see what your ready position looks like. I'm
Ooh.
guessing you have a way that you...
We do. We say
Yeah.
2 feet flat on the floor. Sitting up and
Look and smile.
There's no lumpy kids in here. Love it. Awesome job. So we're just going to talk about your new letter sounds this week. They're up here on the board. Again, thank you so much, Miss Egan.
you bet.
Okay, let's look at this one.
You.
Good, I bet. I know it. But you probably have a sign and a symbol for this. Can you show that to me? Ooh, and what does short U say? Nice. So short U says like in
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
and then long U. Ooh. And we're gonna really focus on this U consonant E. What does long U say? Would you show me the sign for that? U. Nice job. And this long U sound can be kind of weird. U, or sometimes it's ooh. But what about in cube? Do you hear that? U, cube. Okay? So we're going to focus on U consonant E today as we do these. Just to get these into our muscle memory, we are going to practice the long U and the short U sound today. Okay? So first of all, grab your whiteboard, your marker, your eraser. And we're going to do short U, and we're just going to say it and write it 3 times. Okay? Are we ready for that?
Yeah.
All right. Short U, and it's going to go just like this. Oh, it's done this already. Can I write on this?
Totally.
Okay. And we're just going to say it as you write it. Can you do that, please? I want to hear the sounds. You need a marker.
Good job. I didn't hear you. Oops, you don't have to erase it. Just
Nice
write it
job.
again
This is
and
short
tell me.
U.
Excellent.
Clear your boards.
Zip, zap, zip.
Now when we do this one, it's going to look just a little bit different. We're going to have to say the big word consonant. Say consonant.
Consonant.
Consonant is not a vowel.
Ever.
Okay? So it's going to look like this. Watch me. U consonant E. U consonant E. U consonant E. See that space? That's leaving a space for a new letter. You go ahead and try that. U. And we're just getting
Good
that into our
job.
muscle memory, auditory memory. Nice job, racing up.
And visual.
You guys are moving quick. Clear boards.
Zip. Zip that. I did zip.
Perfection. We're cruising now.
I'm cool.
You are. Okay. Next up, we are going to do some blending. So cap your markers. Good job. So cap your markers so they don't roll away. I know how rolly they get. You ready, Swan? All right. I get it. And this one's going to be an activity where you're going to have to look up here. We're going to be blending some words together. Your eyeballs are going to have to be right up here, okay? Because we're going to say the sounds and then blend them together, which I know that you've done as well. Okay, so first we're going to do just a quick review. I'm going to flash them up here really quickly. I'll say sound, and you tell me the sound. Sound like a plan? All right, are all the markers capped? Okay, where are your eyes going to be? Yes, good job, Anthony. Not even on me this time, right? Right to the board. Here we go. Sound. Sound. Good. Sound. Sound. Good. Usually, Anthony.
So was thinking there's like a remote and you can freeze it.
Oh, I do love that.
And
Awesome. Thank you for that. Would you do this short E again? Nice job. Sound. 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 Nice job. I put that line there because sometimes what would that be?
Good.
Nice job. Sound. Sound.
Oh.
Awesome job.
I can't hear you doing any of this.
Okay, we're gonna put these words together. What we're gonna do is, as I show the card, you're gonna say the sound, and then it's going to make a word. Some of the words will be short U, but if we add this bossy E to the end, what will it do to that U?
Oh. You.
U, consonant E, U, consonant E, U, consonant E. So we're gonna watch how these words change when I add that E. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your first word. Are you
Say
ready?
it with him.
Sound. 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 What word? Nice, just like that. Now, I'm gonna do it again. But I'm going to put this already on the end. And I'm just gonna give you a clue that this is not going to say a thing. Okay, so think about how that's gonna change the sound. Sound. Now think very carefully. Sound.
You.
Good. Sound.
You.
What word?
Cute.
Cute. Word.
Riley.
Word.
You.
Nice job. Cut and cute. See how it's changing it around for us? All right, let's do this one. Guys, you're doing great. Sound. 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 What word? Good, and we're blending it together. Cut. Sound. Oh, sound. This sound is What sound? Nice job. Sound. Word. Nice job. The word is up. All right. Here we go. I'm going to make another change. Sound. 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 What word? Cub. Wait very carefully. Think, think, think. Don't say the word. Yeah. Let's do sounds first. Sound. Sound. Good. See how I'm trying to point to both at the same time? With 2 fingers? Because UE says you. Sound. Sound. You. Sound. What word?
You.
Cute. Nice job. Let's see. All right, I got one more. Uh-oh. Something noticed Miss Clark forgot a card. So I'm going to spell it wrong. Will you just be gentle with me? Oh, this will work. I'm just going to change it. How about that? Sound. Sound. Sound.
B.
Good job. If I change this into... Good job. Now this one's one of those tricky ones because we've been saying long U says you, but it's going to sound a little bit different this time. Sound. Sound.
Ooh.
Sound.
B.
Word.
Tube.
Good. We don't say tube. It's not a tube. Tube. Sometimes that ooh can say the ooh sound. Thumbs up. Okay, we're almost done. You guys are doing great. Let's do a little bit more tricky. Okay?
Yeah,
We're going to add some blends. Sound.
P.
Sound.
O.
Sound. Sound. What word?
Plus.
Plus. Good job. We put that in there to make it a little bit more exciting. Okay. I think we got all of them. You guys are close. Oh, I heard somebody say that this was a spelling error, so I better do this. Sound. Sound. Good job. Sorry, it's wonky. Does this have a sound?
You.
What word?
You.
Spelling word. Awesome job. Done with that section. Everyone stand up. Would you show me the sign for a short U? Would you show me the sign for a long U? Would you jump 3 times? And then I'm going to have you
Go to the same spot I gave you this morning.
Well, if you sit at your desk, that's fine.
I just keep the 3 on the sides close so they have the best view in the house.
Wherever your carpet spot is, wherever you're gonna see me.
See, can you just give me a spot this morning because I was like,
You're right in the middle, sweetie, right in front of Mira.
forget about your
Perfect. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. Some things that I do are gonna be the same as Mrs. Egan and some things are gonna be different. So we just go with the flow. Would you say that? Go with the flow. Yep. All right, is everyone in a good spot? Okay. So I saw you doing this activity already a little bit before. We're going to talk about syllables, okay? Every syllable has a vowel. Raise your hand if you can tell me your vowels.